Hey, it's Gordon Lucas here, Program Manager for Embarcadero Change Manager. Today I'm going to show you Change Manager 5.1's new data masking feature. We're going to create a data job, configure some masking rules. I'll run the job, and then we'll look at the data to see what it did, and then I'll show you how you can repeat the job on a regular basis. Okay, I've got Change Manager 5.1 up and running. I'm going to start by creating a new data comparison job. I'm going to name the job my first masking job. I'm going to assign it a source and a target data source. The databases that we're going to be masking will be the Franklin demonstration database. On the Options tab, I'm going to set it to automatically synchronize. This will have Change Manager stream the data from the source to the target, which allows us to specify masking rules for individual tables and columns. On the Mapping tab, I select the Franklin database and inspect the tables and columns. And then I can specify masking rules. When I select a table, I can say View Column Mapping. And for first name and last name, I'm going to set the shuffling rule. And for telephone number, I'm going to do a randomization. The shuffle rule is going to flip values within the rows, so the first names and last names will be randomly paired. And the randomization rule will replace the characters in the source value with random other characters in the target value. Once that's configured, I can save the job and run it. Change Manager is going to confirm with me that I want to remove the target data, so I'm going to click OK. And I can watch the progress as the job runs along row by row. Once the job is complete, I can save it. And let's create another data comparison job to check what Change Manager did. I'm going to again use my same source and target. I'm going to use the Franklin A database, which is what we masked, and I'm going to run the comparison. You can see that 348 rows didn't match, so let's look at the results. The rows that didn't match are in the customer table. And you can see that the first name and last names don't match, and the telephone numbers have been changed. The masking job that we've run and saved as my first masking job is now available to Change Manager. You can reopen it in later runs by File Open Job, and you'll see it listed. You can also generate a command line, which will build you an Ant or a Windows batch file or a Linux shell script to run that job on a regular basis using your favorite scheduler. So once you've configured a Change Manager data masking job, you can rerun it on a regular basis to take sensitive data from production and reproduce it, masking the identity of the original values in development or test or elsewhere. It's important to know that in most companies, data is duplicated in a number of places, and often the security outside of production is less stringent. So masking your data before you move it from production is one way of helping to protect sensitive information. Thank you for watching this short demonstration of Embarcadero's data masking feature. For more information about Change Manager, visit us at www.embarcadero.com, where you can download a free 14-day evaluation. Change Manager is part of All Access, the single cost-effective solution for developers, architects, performance testers, DBAs, providing all the tools you need when you need them across all major platforms, frameworks, and programming languages. To contact sales, it's sales@embarcadero.com. My name is Gordon. Thank you very much for watching.